Many people want the best 36-inch dual fuel range without asking first how they're going to use it. This could be a big problem. The truth is, there is no one best range for every feature. Yet you could buy a range best suited for your cooking style. In this video, you'll learn the best features and problems from the best ranges like Wolf, Thermador, and Miele. Since our last update, you'll see new professional ranges from Wolf, Fisher Paykel, and Signature Kitchen Suite. I also added a range you most likely won't consider based on its price tag. We'll also talk about the most reliable professional range brands to consider based on our over 40,000 service calls our service department logged last year. You'll learn the difference between gas and dual fuel models as well. You've been told dual fuel is better, and that's not always the case. When you ask an appliance salesperson which is better, gas or dual fuel, they almost always say dual fuel, yet you don't have a clear picture of why for a $2,000 to $5,000 upcharge. Dual fuel ranges have an electric oven. Electric ovens are better for baking. Also, self-cleaning modes are standard for electric. Only a few all-gas models offer self-cleaning. Gas models are better for roasting and broiling, especially the more directed, intense infrared boilers. What complicates choosing between dual fuel and all gas is Wolf, Miele, SKS, and Thermador offer feature upgrades in their dual fuel ranges that you won't find in their all gas types. Wolf is part of Sub-Zero, a family-owned American company. Known for their stylish looks and red knobs, Wolf is also an excellent baking range. They also have a rebate program with Sub-Zero and other Wolf appliances. Wolf is also mostly all new, with new controls, an oven, and Wi-Fi functionality. Two burners can reach up to 20,000 BTUs. Their grill and griddle are both infrared gas. Infrared is a more intense direct heat than regular gas for grills. It's easier to clean because it evaporates the grease drippings as well. The oven has changed to be more like their M-series wall ovens in terms of functionality. They moved their dual convection to their verticross blower convection. Blowers offer more air than fans. You also have more capacity in the back of the range without fans. Their Wolf gourmet settings allow for pre-programmed selection for foods. You input the food, weight, and how you like it cooked. The range calculates time, temperature, and even the proper rack position. Wolf also has the Wi-Fi functionality to be operated remotely through an app on your phone. The app controls Sub-Zero and Cove dishwashers as well. It's hard to know any of the issues as Wolf's dual fuel range is new. Availability is concerned, and hopefully their Wi-Fi will be better than others. SKS is an interesting range with some unique features. Sous vide, or precision boiling in a bag, is an SKS exclusive. With a combination of induction, sous vide, and professional burners, SKS is the only pro range compatible with Massachusetts make-up air law requirements. You can vent this range at 400 CFM without running return back into your home. They also offer 4 burners with induction or 4 burners with a chromium griddle. The burners are 23,000 and 15,000 BTU at 6.3 cubic foot. SKS is tied with Wolf as the largest oven, and it has a steam assist or combi steam capability. Like Miele, you can cook with bursts of steam in a combination mode. Miele is still a family-owned German company and has incredible MasterChef technology. You set the food and your specific doneness, and the range calculates time and temperature. Miele's grill and griddle are infrared with slightly better output than Wolf. You also have steam assist functionality. Great for baking bread. In fact, you have 16 automatic programs for different types of bread. It's a cleanable range, and both the grates and burner caps are dishwasher safe. You can self-clean the racks as well. Miele has a combination of high output and low output burners. 3 of the burners are 19,500. The other half are 2 burners at 13,600 and 1 burner at 12,500. Miele will offer 10% rebates with the purchase of other Miele products sporadically throughout the year. The output is a bit light versus their competition with 3 professional burners, and the other 3 have lower output. Thermador is a division of the German Bosch company, is known for their cooking appliances. Their professional ranges feature the star-shaped burner, the lowest simmer, and Wi-Fi. They also have two different series, the Thermador Pro Harmony and the Pro Grand. The Pro Grand has a clock, one higher output burner at 22,000 and a proof mode in the oven. The larger oven is due to the depth. This series is available with a set of induction burners as well. Pro Harmony is less expensive and more popular because its 24-inch depth is in line with your cabinets and doesn't protrude into your kitchen. Thermador has a decent all-around burner. Thermador Star Burner tops at 18,000 BTU in the Harmony and 22,000 in the Pro Grand. Two burners are capable of extra low simmering, perfect for soups and sauces. Wi-Fi allows you to start, pause, and abort oven programs remotely via the Home Connect app on your phone. Thermador has a rebate program with free dishwashers and hoods with other qualifying Thermador purchases. The grill and griddle are electric. Gas has a greater output and is more easily controlled. Additionally, the oven is only single convection. Fisher Paykel professional dual fuels are designed for one-purpose output. They don't offer grill and griddle, only 6 gas burners. 3 of the burners reach up to 23,500 and the other 3 can reach up to 18,500 BTU for a total of 121,000 BTUs. That's good output. It's powerful, but not for you if you like to grill or griddle. The oven is 1.5 cubic feet smaller than Wolf and SKS at 4.8 cubic feet. It's only single convection as well. If you equate the best professional range as the best range, then La Cornue could be a consideration, except for one drawback. La Cornue is French-made but American-owned. You can buy this range any way you want. The stovetop is customizable to fit a grill, griddle, induction, French top, or all-gas burners. The oven is exceptional with natural convection. The air is introduced at the bottom of the range and keeps a consistent temperature without fans. La Cornue's arched oven is designed to maintain more even heat. You also have 48 colors and 8 trims. The range is like an heirloom or piece of furniture, albeit an expensive piece of furniture. And the range is over $40,000 plus shipping from France. The average appliance service rate is 9.5%, while the professional dual fuel ranges need service 19.9% of the time, based on 40,000 service calls we logged last year. You have to assess how you use the range. Do you use the oven more than the cooktop? Do you want a grill or griddle? Do you want a higher output or simmering capability? Do you like more or fewer controls? Or smart functionality? So you want to match the best features to the way you cook. Availability will be a concern, especially for the more established brands, so plan accordingly. Also, always inquire about service in your area because you will need repair in the lifetime of any of these ranges. Click the link in the description to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide. And thanks for watching.